Hi children, how are you? Last Saturday it was 15th August, our Independent Day. So I will talk about Independent Day and India, how it was happened. I am Aditi Miss. Today we will learn about our country. My country. India is my country. I am an Indian. India is the seventh largest country in the world. India, Bharat, Hindustan. India became independent from British rule on 15th August 1947. Our national signs. National flag, national emblem, national anthem, national song, national currency symbol, national flower, national fruit, national river, national animal, national bird. So let us know about our country. This is map of our country. This is India. This is our national flag. National flag is horizontally colored. Top is saffron, bottom is green and middle is white. And center of the flag there is an wheel with 24 spokes. National emblem. Four heads of lion. This is adopted on 26 January 1950 when India became republic and it is written Satyameva Jayate. National anthem Jana Gana Mana by Rabindranath Tagore. National song Vande Mataram written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. National flower lotus. National fruit mango. National river Ganga. National animal tiger. National bird peacock. National currency symbol is rupees. Raw. That is all about India. Let us know about symbols of India. Let's revise about our national symbols. Let's see what are our national symbols. Yes, this is our national flag. Three colors, saffron, white and green. Next, what is coming? This is our national emblem. Lion, capital of Ashoka. Ashoka Chakra. Next, this is our Jana Gana Mana national anthem. Rupees is our national currency. This is our national song, Vande Mataram. This is our national game, hockey. Next, this is our national bird, peacock. This is lotus, our national flower. What is coming next? This is our national animal, tiger. National river, Ganges. The largest river of India. National fruit, mango. National vegetable, this is pumpkin. National instrument, veena. National tree, banyan tree. National heritage animal, Indian elephant. National reptiles, king cobra. National aquatic animal is Ganges river, dolphin. We will know about India. Gandhiji, our father of nation, was the leader of the freedom fights. He gained independence from the British government. First Prime Minister of India, Chacha Nehru, raised the Indian flag at Red Fort. He also delivered his famous speech, Tryst with Destiny, on that day, and it considered as one of the best speeches. It spoke on the aspects of rise above the India's history. Our country is now developing very fast in the field of technology, education, sports, finance, and various other fields which were impossible before freedom. Moreover, India became one of the countries that is rich in nuclear power. And now, after the independence, India became largest democratic country in the world. Our country is most famous for the saying unity in diversity. Because of the struggles of our forefathers, we are now able to enjoy the freedom. India is our mother country and we are its responsible citizens. We should always be ready to save our country in all crucial situations. It is our responsibility to lead our country ahead and make it the best country in the world. So, dear children, you are the citizens of tomorrow. You must be aware about the value of freedom. It was very pleasing to address you all. Reasons of Independence Day's time and date. We became independent. Midnight, 15th August 1947. We became independent. But midnight why? 15th August why? And 1947 why? What was the reason? Why 1947? Lord Mountbatten, appointed as last Viceroy of India in February 1947, planned to transfer power from Britain to India by June 1948. There was conflict between Muhammad Jinnah and Jawaharlal Nehru. Jinnah ji said Pakistan as separate independent nation. Forced to prepone independence by almost an year from 1948 to 1947. Now why 15th August? Lord Mountbatten said that it is my lucky date. On 15th August 1945, Japanese army surrendered to Allied forces led by the commander Lord Mountbatten. That is why his lucky date. Why midnight? Why midnight 15th August? Astrologers said unholy and less fortunate. Lord Mountbatten said, I am quite clear about this transfer. Unholy. If we cannot change the date, you have to swear at midnight. At British rule, day starts from midnight, and India, day starts from sunrise. So this was the reason. And why 1947? I told you about that was preponed from 48 to 47. The national flag of India was adopted in his present form during a meeting of the Constituent Assembly held in 22nd July 1947. The flag was designed by Pingali Venkaya, an agriculturist and freedom fighter. By law, the flag has to be made with khadi, which was made popular by Mahatma Gandhi. The tricolor is based on the Swaraj flag, a flag of the Indian National Congress. The right of manufacture the flag lies with the khadi development and village authorities. The national flag of India is also referred to as tricolor or tiranga. The three colors of the national flag denote three different messages. Saffron represents courage and sacrifice, white represents truth, peace and purity, green represents prosperity. Ashoka Chakra represents of law of dharma. National flag is one. Now our national flag is called as the Tiranga Jhanda. Two, it has three colors. Three, first is saffron or orange, middle is white and last is green. 4. Our national flag was first designed by Pingali Venkaya. 5. Each color represents something different. Number 6. Saffron orange color stands for courage and sacrifice. 7. White color stands for peace, unity and truth. Green color stands for growth and auspiciousness. In the flag middle center is Ashoka Chakra. Ashok Chakra also called Dharma Chakra. The ratio of length and width of flag is 3:2. All peoples will respect the Indian flag. The Indian national flag was first proposed by the Mahatma Gandhi in 1921. National flag is hosted on the national occasion like Republic Day, Independence Day, etc. It also displays school, college, university, etc. It is made of cloth of khadi. The flag song. Hey, 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 all my friends, up the pole, my flag ascends. In flag, in colors, saffron, white, green. Hey, 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 all my friends, up the pole, my flag ascends. In colors, saffron, white and green. Such glory have you ever seen? La la la. Strength says saffron. Peace says white. Green says growth. Every day and night. Buddha's teaching chakra. What says? Blue. Blue color remind us to be humble and true. Sarnath lions are my emblem. Janagana Mana is my anthem. My country is strong and it's free. La la la. Our fathers fought for our freedom. Let us salute for good reason. Hey, all my friends, up the pole. My flag ascends. Won't you too? Join hands with me. National animal tiger, national bird peacock, national flower lotus, national fish dolphin, national fruit mango, national river Ganga. Let us play quiz about 15th August. What is the sequence of colors on the national flag of India? Saffron green white, white saffron green, green white saffron, saffron white green. It is number D, saffron white and green. What is the width to length ratio of the Indian national flag? 3 is to 2, 2 is to 3, 1 is to 2, 2 is to 1. This is ratio is 2 is to 3. What is the official color of Ashoka Chakra on the national flag of India? Navy blue, neon blue, black or grey? Which color it is? Navy blue. What is the meaning of white color on the Indian national flag? Growth, strength, peace and truth and the dynamic of the peaceful change. It is C, peace and truth. When was the design of the Indian national flag adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India? A, B, C, D. Which will be the answer? Yes, this is 22nd July 1947. How many spokes are there in the Ashoka Chakra wheel on Indian national flag? 1, 12, 24, 48. It is 24 spokes. What was there on the Indian national flag before Ashoka Chakra? Lotus, charkha, sword or sun and moon? The answer is B, charkha. Before that it was charkha. Which color of Indian national flag represents strength and courage? Saffron, green, white and navy blue. Which color? It is saffron. Saffron represents strength and courage. By whom is the design and manufacturing process of the national flag regulated? Which will be the answer? A, B, C, D. Answer is C, Bureau of Indian Standards. Who designs the present Indian national flag? Mahatma Gandhi, Pingali Venkaya, Rabindranath Tagore or Ram Prasad Bismil? Answer is B, Pingali Venkaya. Our great leaders, look at them. You know about our great leaders. Who is coming? He is Mahatma Gandhi. Which is our next leader? It is Subhash Chandra Bose. He is Subhash Chandra Bose. Next who is coming? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next, Jawaharlal Nehru. You know, children. Next, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Now is coming Lal Bahadur Shastri. Next is coming Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who is coming? Dada Bhai Nauroji. Next is coming Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Next, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Let's revise one more time our great leaders Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru. Lal Bahadur Shastri, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Dadabhai Naoroji, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Identify the Indian freedom fighters. I will show you picture. Whose picture is this? Can you guess? Yes, this is B.R. Ambedkar. Whose picture is this? He is Rajendra Prasad, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Whose picture is this? Who is this? Lala Lajpat Rai. Whose picture is this? You should know. Yes, Dadabhai Naoroji. He is very famous. Do you know? He is Bhagat Singh. Who is in this picture? You know? Vallabhbhai Patel. Who's this? Do you know? This is Subhash Chandra Bose. Who's this? Whose picture? Yes, he is Rabindranath Tagore. Whose picture is this? He is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Whose picture? Do you know, children? He is Chandrasekhar Azad. Who's this? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Whose picture is this? He is Tatia Topi. Who is this lady? He is Sarojini Naidu. Whose picture is this? Mangal Pandey. It's very famous. Whose picture is this? C. Raja Gopalachari. Next, which picture lady is this? She is Annie Besant. Who is this lady on horse? She is Rani Lakshmi Bai. Whose picture you all know? He is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Whose picture is this? You should know. Yes, he is Jawaharlal Nehru. Independence Day quiz. When did India get independence? You should know the date. Yes, 15th August 1947. Who was the first Prime Minister of India after independence? You know? Yes, Jawaharlal Nehru. Which countries celebrate Independence Day on August 15? Same date with us. Which country? South Korea, Congo. The same date, 15th August. Who was the first president of the independent India? You know, children? Yes, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, who is known as Father of India. You all know. Yes, Mahatma Gandhi. He is known as Father of India. Where did Nehru raise the national flag of India on 15th August 1947? Red Fort, Delhi. Who was the first Governor General of independent India? You know? Yes, Lord Mountbatten. Where did 1987 revolt start? Meerut. It is in Meerut. Who wrote Sare Jahan Se Acha Hindustan Hamara? Who wrote? Yes, Muhammad Iqbal. Who was the political guru of Gandhiji? Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Who designed national flag of India? You know, he was Pingali Venkaya. Who wrote national anthem? Rabindranath Tagore. Which is the national song of India? Vande Mataram. Who wrote Vande Mataram? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. About Indians. I am proud to be an Indian. We are proud to be the Indians. It's a country of great people. It's a country of brave leaders. It's a country of sacrifices. It's a country of security. It's a wonderful country. It's an amazing country. It's country of unity. It's a country of diversity. I am proud to be an Indian. We are proud to be the Indians. Freedom Fighters of India quiz. When was Jawaharlal Nehru awarded India's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna? 1950, 1952, 54, 55. Answer is 1955. Name the newspaper started by Gopal Krishna Gokhale. It is Hitavada. Who died on the day on the non-cooperation movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi? Answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Which freedom fighter was known as Kappalottiya Tamizahan, the Tamil helmsman? Answer is V.O. Chidambaram Pillai. Who quoted Do or Die during Quit India movement? Answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Which one of the following is not a movement started by Mahatma Gandhi? Answer is Swadeshi. To which country Lala Lajpat Rai was deported from India in 1907? It's Myanmar. Who was the first Indian ambassador to the United States? Answer is Asaf Ali. Name the wife of Mahatma Gandhi. Answer is Kasturba Gandhi. Which independence activist was called as the father of the Indian unrest by the British? Answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who was the husband of Rani Lakshmi Bai? Answer is Gangadhar Rao. To which religion did Dr. B.R. Ambedkar get converted? To Buddhism. Who was the first Home Minister of India after independence? Answer is Vallabhbhai Patel. Who wrote the article titled Rashtrapati under pseudo name Chanakya in 1937? Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. When was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel awarded India's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna? Answer is 1991. Whose famous slogan is Give me blood and I will give you freedom? Subhash Chandra Bose. In which year did Mahatma Gandhi launch the Quit India movement? It's the year 1942. Who first started the Home Rule League? Answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. When was Jawaharlal Nehru born? 14 November 1889. I hope you have learned so many things about India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.